Did Trump give the Proud Boys permission to rise?
The Proud Boys rose to prominence in 2016, founded by Gavin McInnes. They claim to be a fraternal drinking club. In truth, they thrived on intimidation and street fights. They marched in Portland, Washington, D.C., and New York, often clashing with counter-protesters. Their mission was simple: defend what they call Western values. On January 6th, the Proud Boys played a central role in the Capitol attack. Led by Enrique Tarrio, Joseph Biggs, and Dominic Pezzola, the group's ultimate goal is to weaken democracy and secure a society where white men hold dominance. Donald Trump gave them a platform. When he was asked during a 2020 presidential debate to denounce the Proud Boys, but instead he told them to stand back and stand by. They took those words as a rallying cry, printing them on shirts and flags. After chaos erupted, listen to what Trump told the rioters.
So go home. We love you. You're very special. You've seen what happens. You see the way others are.
For extremists, those words were confirmation. And when Trump returned to office in 2025, he freed dozens of January 6 rioters, including the Proud Boys who had attacked the police.
Wow, can we say double standards?
The Proud Boys have also shown up at the southern border. They call it Immigration Patrol, claiming to protect the U.S. from migrants. Wearing tactical gear and carrying long weapons, they filmed themselves shadowing Border Patrol agents in Texas and Arizona. For them, immigration is not just a political issue. It is a cornerstone of their belief that America must remain majority white. They aim to stop migration and sideline black and brown voices. Today, the Proud Boys remain one of the clearest examples of how a hate group can thrive with political cover. They mix street violence with political loyalty. They frame themselves as patriots, but their mission is exclusion. And as long as leaders give them space, they will continue to see themselves not as terrorists, but as soldiers in a larger cause.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.